let's talk about solving multi-step problems, specifically multi-step word problems. So there's some things that I like to do to help me solve these. Step one is to read the whole thing, not worry about solving just yet, but read the whole thing and visualize what it's saying. I always call it a mind movie. I like to read it and then picture it in my brain like I'm making a little movie in my head. The second step would be to find the question. What is it asking? And then sometimes it's helpful to write an answer statement. We'll talk about that in just a second. The third step, you can either use a number sentence like an equation, or you can draw pictures to help you solve. And then finally, you're going to want to chunk and solve. I like to do that sentence by sentence. Let me grab a pen here and let's take a look at this problem. I'll bring you a little bit closer. It says, the monkeys picked 12 bananas. They ate 5. Then they ate 3 more. How many bananas do they have now? So my first step, read and visualize. I'm picturing monkeys in a tree. There they are picking all 12 bananas. So now they have a pile of 12. They ate 5 of them, so I'm imagining 5 being taken away. And then they ate 3 more, so I need to take away 3 more. How many bananas do they have left? Or how many bananas do they have now? Okay, I understand. I've read and I visualized the problem. Check. I'm going to find out what are they asking? What is the question? And I'm even going to write an answer statement. So I see the question is, how many bananas do they have now? So my answer statement, I can even put it down here maybe, is they're going to have, I don't know how many bananas. That's as easy as the answer statement gets. How many bananas do they have now? I'm not going to solve it yet, but I know that it's going to be some amount of bananas. So that is step 2, easy. Step 3 says draw pictures or write a number sentence. Now those are supposed to be bananas, and obviously I'm not the best artist, so I'm going to stick with drawing circles to represent my bananas because I just could not get my bananas to work. Sentence by sentence. Here we go. The monkeys picked 12 bananas. So I'm going to draw 12 bananas. They're just going to be circles. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Those are my green circular bananas. Next sentence says they ate 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then they ate 3 more. 1, 2, 3. How many bananas do they have now? So this would be if I were drawing a picture, but remember I also said you could write a number sentence. So let's practice by writing a number sentence as well. Make sure I have plenty of room over here. The monkeys picked 12 bananas, which means they have 12 to start with. They ate 5. If I'm eating them, I'm taking them away. Then they ate 3 more. I need to take away 3 more. How many bananas do they have now? There's my answer. It already goes with my answer statement, blank bananas. Either way, I should get the same thing. So let's see. Over in my picture of my green circular bananas, I had 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas left. Let's see if my number sentence or my equation matches. I started with 12 bananas, and I'm going to chunk and solve the last step. I'm going to be chunking and solving. So this is my first chunk. 12 minus 5 is 7. And then I keep this the same. I still have to solve this chunk, but now it's a smaller chunk. 7 minus 3 is 4. So either way, I got 4 bananas. So let me bring you back over to this chart. First, you're going to want to read and make sure you understand the question enough that you could make it into a mind movie. That's what I mean by visualize. There he is visualizing. Find the question, because that's going to be the most important part of the problem. It's going to be asking you something at the end. And then an easy way to remember that question is to write an answer statement. In this case, it was how many bananas? That's what I'm trying to find out. Draw pictures, usually just circles, not actual photos of bananas. Or write a number sentence, depending on what you prefer. If you're more of a visual learner, you're going to like the pictures. If you're more of a numbers person, you're going to like the number sentence. And then from there, you can chunk and solve sentence by sentence. Start with 12, take away 5, take away 3. How many do you have? 4. So we're going to be practicing these. Good luck.